Sterile, cold, overplayed, boring. Today, we're talking through some of the common design flaws we see in ultra-modern houses. Hi, I'm Francisca Alonso with AV Architects and Builders, where we have over 20 years of experience designing and building custom homes. Without thoughtful design, the modern aesthetic can lead to living spaces that feel less like home and more like a museum. We're talking about 5 design flaws we see in modern homes. Let's get started. Too white. Modern homes are known for their pristine white aesthetics. While beautiful, this can sometimes lead to spaces feeling stark and even uninviting. To help mitigate this, we like to integrate natural materials like wood and stone and use strategic color accents through art and textiles to infuse warmth and character into every room. 2. Open concept. The open concept layout, a hallmark of modern design, promotes a sense of openness and connectivity. However, without proper planning, the space might lack privacy and structure. We combat this by creating subtle separations with furniture arrangements, varied flooring, drop ceilings, and clever lighting, creating defined areas that still feel cohesive. Too sterile. One major pitfall of modern homes is that they can feel more like a museum than a lived-in space. By incorporating personal mementos, art collections, and bespoke furniture, you can transform sterile rooms into spaces that tell a story, all while maintaining that modern aesthetic you love. Additionally, you can layer different light sources, from natural light to soft ambient fixtures, to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Too big. Large, expansive spaces are a modern home's signature, but without careful design, they can start to feel impersonal and overwhelming. It's important to scale spaces to human proportions, ensuring that even the most spacious homes provide a sense of comfort and intimacy. This involves thoughtful zoning of areas, using architectural details to create cozy nooks within larger rooms, and ensuring that the scale of furniture and decor matches the dimensions of the space. Too impersonal. Finally, the biggest challenge with modern homes can be shaking off that impersonal showroom vibe. The solution? Dive deep into customization. Whether it's a wall for your vinyl collection, a custom reading nook, or an art studio, bathed in natural light, we focus on customizations that reflect your passions, making your modern home truly yours. At AV Architects and Builders, we're not just building modern homes, we're creating personal retreats where architecture meets individuality. Your modern home should be as welcoming as it's beautiful, and we're here to make that vision a reality. If you would like to learn more about modern home design, head on over to our Learning Center, where we have tons of helpful content, linked in the description below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home building tips. See you soon!